Okay, picking up where we left off. Stairs to the second floor. Bamboo flooring. Living room with French doors to the second floor deck. This could be the dining room I'm standing in with the living room straight ahead. A couple of columns. Those are a bunch of vines on those windows. It's overgrown on the house. The step up to the foyer from the living room. Nice bright flooring. Hallway back to the stairs where we came down. There's stairs to a finished ground floor. I think there's a lot of square footage. This is the unfinished area. Trim molding's missing on all the doors. Original bathroom hadn't been updated. Has some potential. Ground molding and chair rail in the rooms. High ceilings. Plenty of windows. That's the second bedroom. This is the third bedroom. There's two on this middle floor. Walk-in closet here. Laundry room. It's on the middle floor. It's important. And we'll go down in a moment to the ground floor. Have to get to the kitchen and breakfast nook. It's not very big. Okay, we'll go to the back out into the ground floor next.